Valentine's Day. Basic 2 and Pre-Intermediate Students Video.
Hi, my name is John. This is my girlfriend, Emma. She's from the UK, the United Kingdom.
Hello. I'm from the UK. I'm from London, England.
And that's my sister.
Hi, I'm John's sister, Jane.
And these are our parents, Paul and Barbara.
Hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
And these are our friends, Arthur and Mary. Today, we're gonna talk about Valentine's Day. Muitas pessoas associam o dia de São Valentim com o dia dos namorados, mas o dia de São Valentim não é somente para namorados. Valentine's Day celebrates all kinds of love.
Love for your boyfriend.
Or girlfriend.
Love for the family.
And love for the friends.
We celebrate Valentine's Day on February 14th.
Yes, we celebrate it on the 14th of February.
Americanos e
Britânicos.
falam as datas.
De maneira diferente.
Americanos falam o mês primeiro. Example, February 14th.
Nós, britânicos, falamos o dia 1º.
Example, 14th of February.
Valentine's Day is not a public holiday. People work normally.
But, as we're gonna see in this video, it's very important.
First, let's see how young children celebrate Valentine's Day.
I'm gonna show a scene from a famous British cartoon called Peppa Pig.
Children, today we will all make Valentine's cards for the people we love.
Yay! I'm going to make a Valentine's card for my mummy and daddy. I'm making a Valentine's card for my mummy and daddy. I'm making a Valentine's card for Super Potato. And one for my mummy and daddy.
As you saw in the video, young children make and give cards to their parents. But they give cards and gifts to their classmates and teachers too. I'm gonna show you some examples of gifts for classmates. Children give stationery or toys to their classmates.
Stationery.
Artigos de papelaria.
And, I'm gonna show you some examples of presents for teachers.
Now, we're gonna talk about couples.
Couples.
Casais.
On Valentine's Day, couples give and receive gifts.
Or, presents.
Gifts.
Presents. I get flowers. We give chocolate.
You're all I need, my love, my Valentine.
And we have a romantic dinner. You got a friend in me.
On Valentine's Day, you give gifts to your friends too,
You got a friend in me.
including your pet friends.
Valentine or Saint Valentine was a priest.
We are gonna tell you his history.
Roman Empire. 3rd century.
I'm tired of war. I want to go home.
Me too. Soldier's life is hard.
And? And we already have a lot of money from all the places we conquered.
Yes, but the Emperor still wants us to conquer more places. He's very greedy.
I'd really like to go home. I have a very nice girl waiting for me. I want to marry her.
I have a girlfriend too. I'd really like to marry her.
Well, this military campaign is gonna finish next month. We can go to Rome, marry our girlfriends, and stay there.
Great idea. The Emperor can get new soldiers.
Yeah, a lot of young people want the glory and fortune of a soldier's life.
Meanwhile, in Rome. At the emperor's castle.
Sir, I'm having difficulty to find new soldiers for our new military campaign. Why can't you get me more soldiers? Well, men don't want to be soldiers anymore. They want to stay here in Rome. And, they want to get married and have a family. Cowards! Roman men don't want to be soldiers anymore, huh? They want to stay home, get married. No way! I'm making a new law. I prohibit everybody to get married.
1 month later. At the church, Priest Valentine worked.
Priest Valentine, we want to get married.
We want to get married too.
I'd love to marry you, but the emperor prohibited everyone to get married.
Oh, crap. I can't believe it.
Well, can we do anything about it?
I hate to see people in love and not to do anything. I'm gonna marry you secretly. Don't tell anyone.
Priest Valentine married many couples secretly. But one day the emperor found out about it. And sent Priest Valentine to jail. Jail.
Cadeia.
Jailer. A person that takes care of the jail.
Carcereiro.
Jailer, you have a new prisoner.
What did he do? Did he kill someone?
No, he only married people. He's a priest.
A priest? Really?
Yes, the emperor prohibited everyone to get married, and this priest disobeyed him.
Well, okay. We need to obey the emperor.
Couples sent flowers to Valentine. Couples protested and asked the emperor to free Valentine. But the emperor refused. But Valentine's time in jail wasn't all bad.
Daughter, come here. We have a new prisoner in cell 2. Go there and give him some food.
Is he dangerous?
No, I don't think so.
The jailer's daughter really liked Valentine. He didn't care she was blind. They talked for hours. Day after day. And they fell in love.
You're all I need, my love, my Valentine.
One day, they prayed together. Valentine's touched her head and cured her blindness.
Oh, I can see. I can see. It's a miracle.
A few days later.
Julia, I have some bad news. You need to be strong.
Dad, what's it? What happened?
The Emperor set Valentine execution for February 14th.
No! This can't be true. I love him so much. Dad, we need to save him.
I'm sorry, but I can't do anything. It's the Emperor's order.
But you can open his cell at night. He can escape. Run from the Emperor.
I'm sorry, but it's not possible. There are many guards here.
But we can drug the guards. We can escape together. We can go to another city, another country, far from the Emperor.
That's never gonna work. The Emperor has guards everywhere.
Work.
Trabalhar, funcionar. Dar certo.
That's never gonna work. The Emperor has guards everywhere.
On the night before his execution, Valentine wrote his last message to the jailer's daughter, and signed. From your Valentine. Valentine of Terni, born in 226, died in 269.
It was a beautiful and sad history. Jane, you can act very well.
Oh, thanks, Arthur. You can too. Valentine died and became a martyr, so later he became the saint of the lovers.
Became, past of the verb become. Become.
Tornar-se, virar.
Valentine died and became a martyr, so later he became the saint of the lovers.
Valentim morreu e tornou-se mártir, então mais tarde ele se tornou o santo dos amantes.
Valentine died and became a martyr, so later he became the saint of the lovers. So, Valentine's Day started as a holiday for couples. But later, it became a holiday for friends and family too. Se você é adolescente ou mais velho, dar presentes para um amigo ou amiga pode causar um mal-entendido. A diferença entre um amigo ou um crush pode não ser muito clara. Crush é um termo da língua inglesa que significa esmagamento ou colisão, na tradução literal para o idioma português. No entanto, essa palavra também é utilizada num sentido figurado, quando você tem uma queda por alguém. Ou seja, você gostaria de sair com essa pessoa, beijá-la, ou que ela fosse seu namorado ou namorada. We're gonna see a scene with high school students. In the scene, they're gonna give different cards for their friends and their crushes. And they're gonna give an extra gift for their crushes too.
Let's do our Valentine's Day candy exchange. Who wants to go first?
We bought different kinds of candy for everyone to have their favorite.
We wrote cards to everybody too.
I hope everybody likes it.
A few minutes later.
We have candy kits to give you all. I'm bursting with happiness that you're my friend.
Burst. Explode.
You're not only my classmates. We met 2 years ago and I became friends with all of you. I have candy kits to give you all. I'm very glad you're my friends.
I'm very glad you're my friend. Berry equals bear plus very. In the recess. Recess.
Recreio.
There is a boy that I'd like to be more than a friend.
So, you have a crush on him. It's Brian, isn't it?
Yes, it's him. Oh, he's so handsome and funny and... but how did you guess it was him?
I see the way you look at him.
Yes, I have a crush on him and I want him to know it. I'm gonna leave this crush sealed on his desk with this card. I'm your not-so-secret admirer. Happy Valentine's Day. What do you think?
It's a good idea.
A few minutes later.
Nice, I got a crush orange soda, and a card.
Oh my god! I got a crushed peach soda and a card. I hope it's from Brian.
You're kinda cute. And I kinda like you a little. Okay, maybe a lot. Brian.
Countries that celebrate Valentine's Day are colored pink.
Nearly all countries celebrate Valentine's Day.
Yes, but some countries don't celebrate Valentine's Day on February 14th.
Brazil's Valentine's Day, Boyfriend and Girlfriend Day.
Brazilians celebrate it on June 12th, and they celebrate only romantic love. And they celebrate Saint Anthony, not Saint Valentine.
That's all for today's video.
Have a good Valentine's Day with your girlfriend or boyfriend, family, and friends in general.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend.